Well, dear students, now I am going to tell you something very important and the topic which will make you the clear meaning of electromotive force. Actually, practically, Faraday gave the law of electroinduction, that is magnitude of induced EMF to change in magnitude plus per in time. Lenz law also is based on the law of conservation of energy. Now here I will prove theoretically why the EMF is induced and how does the current flow in conductor. While proving E equal to BLV, I ask you current will flow why. So all these things will become clear. And the definition of electromotive force, which has been misinterpreted almost in every book, I am sorry to say. So today I will explain this because of this reason. In figure, PQ is the conducting rod which is placed on conducting rails just to complete the circuit. Cross means there is a magnetic field which is normal to plane of board and into it. You will say which is normal to plane of paper and into it. This is the magnetic field. PQ is the conducting rod of length L moving with velocity V from left to right. You can write all these things yourself because it will take a long time to write here. I am repeating again. The cross means the magnetic field, there is a magnetic field normal to plane of paper and into it. Rod PQ of length L, conducting rod of length L, which moving with velocity V. Now, how to prove that induced EMF and law of electroinduction? When rod PQ, metal, I should write here metallic rod. Metallic rod PQ moves in magnetic field. In magnetic field at magnetic field with velocity V, which is normal to magnetic field B. Magnetic field B. So every free electron, all the charged bodies, but I am talking here in terms of every free electron inside the rod is also moving with same velocity at right angle to magnetic field B. So every electron experiences Lorentz force. Vector F equal to minus E into B cross B. Vector F is equal to minus E into V cross B. Direction of this force according to cross product rule will be from P to Q. V cross B. V is this, B is this. V cross B. So it is here it is the rod PQ moving this way, every electron moving this way. तो V to B. तो clockwise, it is the direction of force in positive charge, and minus sign indicates that force will be, this force has direction from P to Q and magnitude F equal to EVB. Every free electron present in this conducting node PQ acts as a force whose magnitude EVB, direction from P to Q. Because electrons are small in mass, and this force produces acceleration from P to Q as electrons are very light. So electrons should gain tremendous velocity. In the direction from P to Q. In the direction from P to Q. Velocity in direction. In direction from P to Q. In the direction from P to Q. But electrons, free electrons, are big in number. So, due to collisions, electrons move from P to Q, from P to Q with an average drift speed which is not large. Drift speed Vd, I should say Vd, which is not, which is small. As in metallic conductor, we have proved when batteries connected to a conductor, current flows and electron move with small drift speed there. So drift speed of electron is from P to Q. Again, electrons are moving at right angle to magnetic field B. So every electron experiences another force vector F dash is equal to minus E V D cross B. Dear student, please learn vector product very carefully. The direction of this force, again the velocity of electron is this way, magnetic this way. So अगर positive charge move this way, so V cross B, so it is in the direction velocity on positive charge, but electrons are negative, so that force will be this way. The direction of this force, the direction of this force is opposite to the direction of velocity v with which rod is moving, इसके अपोजिट होगी. So every electron pushes the rod PQ by force F dash equal to EVdV in the direction opposite to velocity v. And we told you that energy can not be created neither destroyed. So work is done against this force. Work is done against this force in moving the rod PQ, and that work done will appear in the form of electric energy. Now, so the agency pulling the rod is doing work against this force. This force. The work done in moving the rod PQ a distance delta x from left to right as shown in figure. Delta W is equal to minus F dash into delta x. Delta x is the distance moved in this direction here. F dash is the force which is every electron applying the rod opposite to velocity v. F dash is that force which each electron is applying on rod PQ in the direction opposite to velocity v. Little difficult to understand but easy. You can understand better. Minus sign here indicates negative sign. Indicates F dash and delta x are in opposite direction. मैंने डॉट प्रोडक्ट नहीं लिखा इसलिए मैंने सीधा लिख दिया अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. So delta W is equal to minus EVdB into delta x जो है V delta t. Because rod is moving this way, in time interval delta t, it will move distance V delta t equal to delta x. Now you are looking here two velocities. This velocity v is the velocity rod. with which electrons are also moving from left to right. Vt is the drift velocity, electron moving from P to Q. Now Vd into delta T equal to delta L equal to distance moved by an electron from P to Q. So we can write here delta W equal to minus E B V into delta L. Delta L the distance traveled this way. So work done in pushing minus E charge that way. By charge E the charge of electron, this charge moved from P to, this is the work done. And here, if the electron carried from P to Q, so work done in moving an electron from P to Q, W equal to minus E B V into L, total length L. So this is the work done in carrying charge E, you know charge of electron, or W upon E minus B L into V, you can write like this. W upon E, work done per unit charge. It is the work done in carrying a charge from P to Q. But here the very important point here, which makes you understand what is actually the definition of electromotive force. W upon E equal to work done per unit charge in carrying it from P to Q. Actually this load PQ now has become the source of EMF, like a battery has EMF, and then current flows in the circuit, ठीक है भाई, which is equal to EMF E. So here induced EMF, and hence induced EMF across rod PQ E equal to minus BLV, which we have proved on the basis of experimental result. L into V, this is L. V the velocity. If V the velocity, it means V distance has been moved in 1 second. So here L into V equal to delta A upon delta T. Area travelled by rod PQ per unit time. Is that clear? Anyway, L into V represent area travelled by rod PQ per unit time by V meter per second velocity. It will go, this road goes V meter in 1 second, in 1 second distance. So this is the area travelled per unit time. Or we can write it as B into delta A upon delta, sorry, minus sign. Or you can write it as E equal to minus delta BA upon delta T, or E equal to BA equal to mainly plus minus delta phi upon delta T. And if delta T is very small, if delta T tends to 0, then instantaneous value minus d phi over dt. Here this EMF is equal to work done in carrying charge from unit charge from P to Q. This is a source of EMF now. The road PQ is the source of EMF. There is a question I will tell you later on. So this is the theoretical proof of Faraday law. Further, this potential electric field V by L E equal to V by L होता ना, potential difference divided by. Further, it can be proved easily. It can be proved. भाई ये potential difference है V into L. Proved that line integration of this electric field होगा यहाँ पे आता है. When the potential there is electric field E dot dl is this. Line integral of electric field here is equal to minus d phi over dt. D phi over dt. In case of electrostatic field, line integral of E dot dl was there 0, and hence electrostatic field was conservative. The field produced by this varying magnetic field, this field electric field is produced by change of magnetic flux, but this field produced is this vector E here is non-conservative. I have proved this equation just to understand further a topic of electromagnetic wave. So this was all about theoretical proof, and now it is not given in journal books. NCERT book have proved it, but they have proved it very briefly. When I was proving this is modulus E equal to BLV, where I have proved I equal to BLV upon R, and so many things I have proved. They have been proved in NCERT book. So electric field produced by varying magnetic flux, or you can say by varying magnetic field, is not conservative. Conservative field is that in which work done by the force in the field or against the force does not depend on path followed. Video has become longer, so I stopped, and actually I started this video just after seeing the landing of Chandrayaan 3 on the congratulations for you all, and I am happy that work in one time was impossible, but our hard work can do anything. So please keep on working hard. One day you will be the future of country, and future will be bright if we learn at this time more and more. Thank you.